Okay, we just did how to load the magazine with rounds. What I'm going to do real quick is, again, show you the proper way to load a loaded magazine into the wheel well, not the wheel well, into the magazine well of the firearm. Say if I had my magazine loaded to capacity with the rounds that I needed, at which time, as I'm holding that firearm, my hand is along the back strap of the firearm. The flat side of that magazine goes to the back side of the magazine well. Kind of common, kind of a little ditty to remember. It's just like when you're loading rounds. The flat side goes against the flat side. Same thing with the firearm. When you go to load the magazine, if the person's not experienced, they may turn it around this way. It won't go but so far. And you don't want to force it because you get it jammed in there and have to send it to the factory to get it taken care of. So the flat side of the magazine goes to the back side of the back strap. So if I wanted to insert this magazine, all I would do is give it a nice little tap on the bottom. And at which time, if there's a round in there and I want to chamber that round, all I'm going to do is release my slide. That force just pushed a round into the chamber, into the barrel of that weapon, and now it's ready to be fired. Okay, I have the round in the chamber. I'm locked and loaded, ready to go. For some reason, I don't want to shoot, or there's no threat or whatever, then I want to unload my firearm, or not even unload the firearm, but unload the round that's in there, ejection. That's exactly what I do. Drop the magazine first, okay? And all I'm going to do is pull the slide to the rear. If there's a round, it's going to fly out. Once it does, lock the slide to the rear, do a physical and visual check. Okay, stick your finger in the barrel, look down in there. You can never be too safe. Even if you do this 100 times and you may know that there's nothing in there, it doesn't hurt to triple check and quadruple check, because you can never, ever be too safe when it comes to firearms. Sometimes only take one mistake, and that would be the end of it. So we like to be very, very safe and careful when we're using firearms and working with them. So that's the way you would insert a magazine and to eject a magazine. Insert it, eject it.